Alright guys, so I got the Speedmaster TBI unit. It's the 4-injector TBI unit, MPI, whatever, however the hell you want to call it. Go over some problems with it, some useful things that you might want to know about it, and just overall what I've had to do to get it right here looking like this. And yeah, it's a bit of a doozy. So first thing is comes with -6. This is a -6 by M10 125 thread. You're going to need to know that because it only comes with one. This one comes with a plug on it, so you have to buy another one. So -6 by M10 125 is the thread for that. Second thing you're going to want to know is your screws here for your TPS and your IAC are 6-40 thread. The weirdest thing, I spent like 30 minutes in ACE figuring out what those are, and I'm not even entirely sure they are really correct, but they thread, it snugs up. I'm going to put some red Loctite on them because I don't trust that. Some issues that you're going to find is that this does have a fuel crossover bar in it. And you'd look and go, wow, yeah, it's crossed over. Why would I need another fitting depending on your fuel system? Well, that's because the rails for that crossover, they are not machined to actually cross over. So you either need to run a dual feed or get these machined. And then my issue that I'm having with just finish drilling them out, get them into the rail, not an issue. My issue is I bought Holley injectors. These are Terminator X 1050s. Holley decided to send me two different part numbers. Both are for 1050s. These ones, nice, loose fit, some clearance, no issues. Actually goes, flushes up. There's an O-ring in here. So that's cool. Yeah, those are all the way in. No movement. Lock solid. So that's not on these guys because I could take these two out, put them on this side. It closes up. It's not a machined issue with the rails or the body there. That's just an injector issue. Don't know why. But all the boxes that they came with show the same part number on the box, except these numbers do not match. Yeah. So that's cool. Oh, another thing when you're doing this. So you'll notice that when you go one-handed, wide open on your primaries pretty vertical. Secondaries over rotate. It is a progressive unit, but the issue is the link is non-adjustable, so you either need to, well, it's not either need to, you need to make a new link if you really care about throttle blade position, which if it's not vertical, it's not wide open, so there's that part. If you're going to put this on an intake that already has studs in it, you're going to need a longer studs because these are way too tall. Yeah. LS based idle air control, go straight in, not a problem. This is a 8mm D shaft. My particular TPS is a dual motion. It can go either way. You need a counterclockwise 8mm D shaft TPS in the Ford variety. Yeah, if you're looking at this, you've done research, you know what to look for. But yeah, you just need a counterclockwise one. Yeah, it's not not terribly impressed, but also not disappointed at the same time about this. It was $400 versus when you go and buy other brands for the same universal kind of setup, you're $8,000-9,000. $400, you're gonna have some issues. Yeah, so I'll change up my fuel system. Luckily, it's not too terrible.